I don't know anymore. Maybe I want less. Maybe I want less. So yeah, let me know in the comments if I should combine my locks. What do you think? And then also let me know, should I lock my kids' hair?
Bonjour tout le monde, ici Rachel et bienvenue sur ma chaîne, la Doula Rachel. Sur ma chaîne, on parle de maternité, on parle d'accouchement positif, d'accouchement informé, d'allaitement et de tout ce qui a trait à la femme aussi à l'extérieur.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel. I am a doula, but today I'm going to talk about something a little bit different. Actually, I want to bring some new videos to my channel, which is going to be a little bit more personal, a little bit more life, you know. So today I really wanted, actually I just got locks. So yes, these are Starter Locs, and I wanted to document my journey. So that's going to be some videos that you're going to see on my channel where I'm going to talk about locks and just growing my hair in locks and just everything that it entails, right? So on this video I want to talk about two things. So why I decided to get locks and how has it been. Okay, only been 2 weeks now, but I just want to share my experience so that anybody that is thinking about getting locks can find some help or some tips, or just, you know, if you guys feel like I do about, you know, different things, you can relate and we can just go on a journey together. So don't hesitate to leave a comment about what you think and what you'd like to see. Okay, so why did I start locks? That's the first thing. So there was a lot of different reasons, but I would say that the main reason why I started locks is because I hate maintaining my hair. But I think I really don't like maintaining my hair, or I don't have the time to maintain my hair, or I don't prioritize. Let's say I don't prioritize my hair at all. So yes, I have 3 young children, a business, and my husband and I always have so many projects that we're working towards. Like right now we are redoing our whole basement, okay, so that we can rent it out. So that is a project, because when we bought this house, this basement was like a cave. But yeah, so I don't have the time. Like I neglect my hair. I've been neglecting my hair probably since I've had children, like since I'm 6 years ago, because I just don't have the time, or I don't prioritize it at all. That's something that I'm definitely working on, because I do need to prioritize myself and take care of myself, and self-care and all that stuff, right? It's really important, but I just don't do it consistently enough right now, and I haven't in a long time. So I decided to lock my hair. That was one thing. That was the biggest thing, basically. So when I say I neglect my hair, this is me and my hair. So I don't wear bonnets. I don't wear bonnets at night. I don't tie my hair when I sleep, so I just leave it in an afro and just sleep like that, probably 3 times out of 5. I wet my hair a lot. And I just let it air dry. I don't use products on my hair, so I mostly use like shea butter or like oil. So I really don't use products like that. Like I'm trying to stay away from, like, you know, consumerism and all that stuff. So I don't buy a lot of things. So yeah, so basically my hair's been extremely neglected. I've been having actually a lot of problems with my hair and my nails and my skin since I gave birth. So every time I give birth, I usually lose my hair. So I'm going to show you here. I lose this spot right here. You can see it's broken off here. I lose all of this. You can see it. And all of this. And every single time. So I have 3 kids. So I've been pregnant 4 times. I had a miscarriage. But after birth, I always lose these 2 spots, right? And it hasn't been growing back. Like it usually grows back pretty quickly and flawlessly, and it really hasn't been growing. So I was like a little frustrated about that. I think I do have some healing to do. My post-birth was a little traumatic, so my birth was really good. It was my best birth, but afterwards I lost decent amount of blood, and that's another story. But I've had some trauma after birth, so I feel like I'm still recovering from that. I still like I haven't completely recovered spiritually and emotionally from that birth. And everything that you're going through emotionally and spiritually is going to reflect outside in the physical. So I've seen that my nails and my hair and my skin hasn't, you know, like bounced back the way it usually does after my births. So that was something else. I actually also lost a lot of hair in the back during my pregnancy, because during my pregnancy, when I neglect myself, but during my pregnancy is even worse because I usually get really sick when I'm pregnant, and the whole pregnancy is very hard for me. So you can see that my hair in the back is super short and it's broken off. So yeah, usually I would say my hair was, you know, if it was pulled, it was probably up to here. So I definitely lost some length during my postpartum. Obviously when I first twisted my hair, it was longer, but there's a lot of shrinkage when you do starter locks, right? So that's just one reality. But I was really debating cutting my hair altogether or locking it, and then I decided to lock it because I've been thinking about it for so long. So I said maintenance is the first, and then I said postpartum and all of that. And then, you know, there's also a new chapter that I'm entering. So I decided along with my husband that we didn't want to have any more kids. So we're going to stop here at 3 children, because the amount of emotional support, meeting their emotional need, meeting their spiritual need, meeting their physical need, giving them the opportunities that each child needs to really develop their talents and find the path that they're supposed to take, find the reason why they came here, and help them achieve, you know, their goal. Coming here, I feel like 3 is our maximum right now, because we wouldn't be able to do that for each of them to our full capacity, at the level that we want to support and guide our children. We wouldn't be able to do that with more at this point, because it's really taxing. Not only do we have to support them and help them advance and grow and develop the most tools that we can give them, we also are growing ourselves. We also are changing ourselves. We also are discovering our purpose ourselves. And we just thought that right now it was enough for us. 3 is enough for us, because we did want them to have bonds with brothers and sisters. Well, they're all girls, so sisters, but we also want to be able to parent them at the best of our abilities. So yeah, that's also a chapter that's closing for me, which is no more babies. And it is something that makes me a little bit sad. I'm considering maybe, hopefully, maybe right now, no, but maybe having a child down the line, maybe when I'm 40. But my husband absolutely doesn't want that, so it's probably not gonna happen. So yeah, it's also, you know, a new era of my life, so it's kind of like grieving and closing a chapter and then opening a new chapter, which is my 30s, because yes, I'm turning 30. Well, actually I turned 30 this year, so I'm 30 this year, and I really want my 30s to be something new, and I'm really excited to grow with my hair during my 30s, you know. So I'm gonna grow my locks during my 30s, and that new chapter is like, it's like synchronized. So it's really nice, you know. Hair also holds a lot of energy. I love the idea of having all my experiences, that awesome stuff that are gonna happen to me in the next 10 years, also being caught in my hair. So that's one thing. Anyway, that was my little video. The last thing I want to talk about is my experience. Well, I'm 2 weeks locked, and I'm still neglecting myself. I'm working on it. But I got a silk pillowcase. So at least, you know, because I try to wear a bonnet but it always falls off. So I got a silk pillowcase so that I can at least protect my hair a little bit. The only thing I use is water, salt water, and oil, which is not too far from what I used to do. So I just added salt. This is salt is good for locking hair, so I don't know. Salt, water, and oil, that's all I used. And my hair is super frizzy already. Okay, my hair is really, I feel like it's really thick. I didn't expect my hair to be thick like that. I was actually expecting it to be really flat on my head, but it's really fluffy. So I'm just excited to see how my locks are gonna look like as they grow and they thicken, because I feel like they're already like fluffy. I never thought my hair was dense, but I don't know. I feel like it's not dense, but so yeah. And then I'm wondering what's gonna happen to this part here, which is the part postpartum. And let me know in the comments, like, should I twist this part? What should I do with it? Should I just let it, like, leave it like this? Because every time I try to twist it anyways, it unravels. So should I just leave it? You see how I have like a hole here? So yeah. What else? So yeah, I'm thinking, should I, let me know in the comments what you think. Should I combine so that I have less locks? Because I told the loctician that did my hair, I told her I wanted about 100. I don't know how many I have, but I think I probably have a little bit more than 100. But I didn't expect it to be so fluffy, so I didn't want a lot of locks. I didn't want more than, you know, 150 for sure, like even way less than 150, because maintenance, right? I don't want a lot of maintenance. So I was thinking 100 would be good, you know, to retwist and everything, but I don't know anymore. Maybe I want less. So yeah, let me know in the comments if I should combine my locks. What do you think? And then also let me know, should I lock my kids' hair? It's like, that's something that I'm really thinking about. Should I lock my daughter's hair? I have a 6-year-old. Well, she's not 6 yet, but I keep aging her up. She's not 6 yet, she's 5, and I have a 3-year-old. And I was thinking of also locking their hair, so it would be less maintenance for me again, right? Because doing little girls' hair is a lot. So, and I want to make sure I take care of my daughter's hair. Like, I don't want to neglect their hair. Like, I can neglect mine, but see, that's bad right here. I shouldn't be neglecting myself and saying that other people deserve more than me. That's something that I'm working on. So yeah, I don't want to neglect their hair, and I don't want to neglect my hair. So yeah, so this is just a video. I'm just rambling, and I think I'm gonna make a couple videos like this. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Should I lock my kids' hair, and then should I combine my lock? Pros and cons. And then I'm probably gonna think about it and see what I feel like doing. So that was my first lock journey video, and I'm going to come back maybe in 2 weeks to talk more about that. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and have a good one.